Gage Construction is your full-service home builder dedicated to building and improving homes throughout the Midlands. Gage Construction is well-versed in all aspects of residential construction. New construction starts with the site, and we make sure that everything from the site prep all the way to the move-in is special. When it comes to bathroom and/or kitchen renovations, these are the two areas of a home that increase the value and enjoyment the most. We love working with these types of renovations. When you think of living in South Carolina, you think about being outdoors. If you want a very special outdoor living space, let's talk about creating a space that you have always dreamed of. Simply put, we love building your dream, and bringing it to life is what brings us the most joy. We understand the emotion that goes into building a new home or a major renovation. We will walk with you through every stage of the process, from planning and designing to the final touches of staging. We make the entire endeavor smooth and successful. Looking to update or add a new space? Gage Construction specializes in making areas used most in your home not only efficient and functional, but really pop with the charm and style that you want. At Gage Construction, we pride ourselves on our clients living their best life now. Let's get started on turning your vision into reality, and you'll enjoy your new space for years to come.